Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Treasure Beach have picked up their second win of the Jamaica Premier League season after clipping Arnett Gardens 1-0 in the feature game of a doubleheader at the Waterhouse Mini Stadium on Monday night. Jaheim Harris was the hero for Treasure Beach, snapping Arnett Gardens' 3-game win streak when he slotted home from the penalty spot in the 82nd minute. Meanwhile, assistant coach at Harbourview, Sidney McFarlane, says his team should have done more despite their 1-0 win over Dunbeholden in the curtain raiser. Trayvon Reed scored the winner in the 7th minute to put the Stars of the East on 8 points, 8 behind leaders Montego Bay United. Dunbeholden are 9th on 7 points.
Yes, and that is what we want those players to do, because they are the players that we look forward to carry the younger players in the team. And when they do that, now we know we have a better chance of progressing in terms of winning games and keeping clean sheet. So if we can get them to do all that whenever we play, then I think it's good for us.
Cricket West Indies CEO Chris Derring has disclosed that West Indies greats Sir Vivian Richards, Sir Richard Richardson and Brian Lara will be batting for West Indies cricket off the field. The trio will meet with broadcasters and corporate sponsors on behalf of Cricket West Indies in India.
For Mission India, where we're going to be meeting with various broadcasters, sponsors, all of corporate India, in an effort to remind them that West Indies cricket is simply not a commercial entity for them to buy broadcast rights, but it is a legacy that we've given to the world, that the world almost owes us to reinvest in us. And that is the purpose of taking Brian, Sir Viv and Sir Richie.
And Derring explained how he hopes the legendary trio's presence can be beneficial.
You can't treat us like everybody else as a commercial venture. Myself and the commercial director sitting in front of the broadcaster, it's strictly a commercial discussion. I'd like to see a broadcaster who has long admired Sir Viv Richards tell us that he's going to treat us like any other cricket organization trying to sell their television rights.
Catherine Winter and Kenneth Anglin were the top performers at the Shuttle Showdown Badminton Championship played recently at the YMCA Auditorium. On the men's side, Anglin took the triple, having claimed the men's singles title with a 21-16, 11-21, 21-12 win over Joel Angus. Anglin and Angus combined for the doubles title with a 21-10, 21-16 win over Delsang Lu Tam and Anthony McNee. Anglin's third title came in the mixed doubles when he and Rihanna Rust beat Anthony McNee and Taina Daly 21-11, 21-8. Winter emerged the women's singles champion after beating Alexandra Beckford in 2 sets, 21-12, 21-13. Her other title came in the women's doubles when she teamed up with Rust to beat the pair of Beckford and Alia Walker 21-10, 21-16. And that is it for your midday sports roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.